Hello, little learners. How are you? I hope that you all are fine. Today we are going to do scene passage number 5 and scene passage number 6 of our term 1 worksheet, page number 10 and 11. So are you all ready? So let's begin. Let's start with scene passage number 5. Read the passage carefully and answer the following. Let's start reading. Abba and Abhay went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. They travelled by the train. Kerala is in South India. Many tourists from all over the world come to see this beautiful place. Mama, when will we reach? Asked Abhay. We will reach there in 10 hours, replied the mother. The railway journey was fun. You all remember trip to Kerala wala chapter? In the chapter what we had learned? There were two children, Abba and Abhay. They went to Kerala with their parents and they were travelling by the train. Kerala is in South India and many tourists come there to see the place, to visit that beautiful place. Now Abhay asked Mama, when will we reach? Mama replied to Abhay that we will reach in 10 hours. And the railway journey was fun. So this is in this paragraph. Alright, now let's begin with the question answers portion of the passage. And let's read first question. The heading of the question is answer the following questions. And the first question is, who was travelling to Kerala? And the answer is, Abha and Abhay went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. Write it down. Abha and Abhay went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. Now come to the next one. Mummy, when we will reach? Ask whom? किसने ये क्वेश्चन पूछा था? Mummy, when will we reach? Ask Abhay. Then first and second question done. Now come to the third one. What was fun? The railway journey was fun. Question number 1, 2 and 3 done. Let's repeat it one more time. Who was travelling to Kerala? And the answer is Abhay and Abha, or we can write Abha and Abhay, A-B-H-A Abha and Abhay, A-B-H-A-Y, went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. Now come to the second question. Mummy, when will we reach? Ask whom? Mummy, when will we reach? Ask Abhay. Now come to the third one. What was fun? The railway journey was fun. Or we can also write like this, the railway journey to Kerala was fun. Now come to B exercise. Underline naming words and circle pronouns. Now let me ask you two questions. What is the meaning of naming word? First question. Naming words are noun. Name of person, place, animal and thing. Very good. Now what is the meaning of pronoun? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. Very good. आप लोगों को तो सब पता चल गया. Now let's begin with the exercise portion. And the first question is, Abha and Abhay went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. इसमें आपको अंडरलाइन करना है नेमिंग वर्ड और सर्कल करना है प्रोनाउन. तो लेट्स अंडरलाइन नेमिंग वर्ड फर्स्ट. अंडरलाइन आभा, देन अंडरलाइन अभय and circle there. There is pronoun. Now come to page number 11. They travelled by train. Circle they and underline train. Come to third one. Mummy, when we reach? Asked Abhay. So underline Mummy, then circle V and underline Abhay. As Mummy and Abhay are naming words, whereas V is pronoun. Now come to the next question. Write naming words from the above passage. हमने ये जो पैसेज रीड किया ना, इस पैसेज में से हमें नेमिंग वर्ड्स निकालने हैं. So let's write it down over here. The first naming word is Abha. Write it down, A-B-H-A. The second one is Abhay, A-B-H-A-Y. And the third is parents, P-A-R-E-N-T-S. Done all of you? Very good. Now come to new words. New words में आपको क्या करना है? आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं, यही वर्ड्स आपको ये ब्लैंक्स में लिखने हैं. दैट्स ऑल. ये सारे वर्ड्स आपको यहाँ पे ब्लैंक्स में लिखने हैं ताकि आपकी स्पेलिंग इम्प्रूव हो. ओके? और आपको सारी स्पेलिंग्स लर्न हो जाए. So the first word is journey, J-O-U-R-N-E-Y. And write it down, journey, in all the three blanks. Now come to the next one, tourist. And write it down, T-O-U-R-I-S-T-S, tourist, in all the three blanks. Then write it down, beautiful. 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 Write it down in all the three blanks. Then come to parent and write it down parents in all the three blanks. Parents. Parents. Then come to fifth one. That is railway. Railway. Write it down also in all the three blanks. And here we have completed passage number 5. Now come to scene passage number 6. Now scene passage number 6, page number 11. Read the passage carefully and answer the following. One evening, a smartly dressed monkey joined the group. आपको फर्स्ट लाइन से ही पता चल गया होगा कि ये चैप्टर कौन सा चैप्टर है. चैप्टर नंबर 6, जंगल टेल. Why monkey has red bottoms? Yes. हमने जो लास्ट चैप्टर किया था ना, ये वही है टर्म 1 का लास्ट चैप्टर, चैप्टर नंबर 6. उसी सो लेट्स रीड द पैराग्राफ ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 6. आर यू ऑल रेडी? लेट्स बिगिन. One evening, a smartly dressed monkey joined the group with a violin. He came and sat on stone in a corner and started playing melodious music. He had a lovely voice. His music was sweeter and newer than that of the rats. All the animals surrounded him and enjoyed dancing to his tune. The rats did not like the smarter monkey at all. Now the explanation is, one evening a smartly dressed monkey joined the group with the violin, and he came and sat on stone in the corner and started playing beautiful melodious music. He had a lovely voice. His music was new for all the animals than that of the rats. Then what happened? All the animals go and make circle around the monkey and started dancing on his music. And all this was not liked by rats. Okay, because rats were the first who were playing the music on the jungle in the evening, and now monkey came. So this was disliked by the rats. Rats did not like the smarter monkey at all. Alright, now let's see answer the following questions. Who joined the group in the evening? Yes, the answer is, one evening a smartly dressed monkey joined the group. Now come to question number 2. What kind of voice does the monkey had? The monkey had lovely voice. Write it down. The monkey had a lovely voice. The monkey had a lovely voice. Now, I hope that first and second question all of you have done in your worksheet. Now, come to the third question. Who are dancing to his tune? Here he is referred to monkey. Okay. Who are dancing to monkey's tune? Yes. The answer you need to write it down at the back side. Turn the page. Come to page number 12. And the answer is all the animals surrounded him and enjoyed dancing to his tune. All the animals surrounded him and enjoyed dancing to his tune. Done by everyone? Okay, now see B exercise. Write the naming words from the above passage. आपको नेमिंग वर्ड्स लिखने हैं from the passage. So the naming words are animals, common naming word, and then monkey and rats. आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक लिख सकते हो. ओके. नाउ कम टू सी एक्सरसाइज. राइट डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स फ्रॉम द अबव पैसेज. अब आपको डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स लिखने हैं पैसेज में से. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्क्राइबिंग वर्ड्स? The words that tells us more about naming words. Very good. The words that tells us more about naming words are called describing words. And the answers are smart and lovely. Lovely. Now come to the D exercise. Make sentence of the following words by your own. ये क्वेश्चन आपका होमवर्क है. आपको क्या करना है? 2 वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं ना, वॉइस और एनिमल्स. इससे आपको सेंटेंस बनाना है अपने ओन में, मीन्स अपने ओन वर्ड्स में. आपको जरूरी नहीं है कि आप पैसेज में से देख के ही बनाओ, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? मेक सेंटेंसेस ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स बाय योर ओन. तो आपको खुद से ये सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं. पहला तो है वॉइस और दूसरा है एनिमल्स. So I hope that this exercise is easy for you, and definitely you will all will able to do it. And that's all for today. Tomorrow we will be doing grammar portion of our revision. So are you all ready for grammar? Yes. So tomorrow we will be starting grammar portion. Till then, bye. Take care. Keep studying. Keep smiling. Have fun. And namaskar.